Hi students, now welcome back to the third session here. Till now two days onwards we are discussing about the acids, bases, everything. Okay, now I am going to show the experiment. One interesting experiment here. What is this? Can you guess this? Yes, it is a magnesium ribbon. Okay, I'll show now. See here. This is a candle. Okay, now try to light this candle. Okay, see here. Now, hold this. Try to burn with this candle. This is a magnesium ribbon. This is a magnesium ribbon. Now, keep for some times continuously. By the time I want to explain that here mostly during Diwali time we will use pencils, okay, pencils and threads. They are nothing but they prepared with a magnesium. Okay, maybe it is not supporting. Okay, it's coming. Wait. Here during Diwali time we will use the crackers like pencils, threads. They are nothing but they prepared with a magnesium ribbon only. So, if the magnesium ribbon burns in the presence of a candle, then it will give a colorful lighting, dazzling colors. Okay, and along with the dazzling colors, which will be the ash. Okay, collect that ash and try to touch it very smooth and soft. Okay, that means here when the magnesium ribbon is combining with the oxygen, then which gives a magnesium oxide. Maybe it is not supporting later on. Okay, it is not supporting with the candle. Maybe it needs more power, I think so. Okay, now when a magnesium ribbon Mg is nothing but a magnesium. If a magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen, which gives a magnesium oxide, that means magnesium combines with the oxygen, which gives a magnesium oxide. It is nothing but a ash. That means here during Diwali time, if you use the threads and pencils which you light it, which will give a colorful dazzling colors, and along with that we will get a ash. If you collect that ash is nothing but a magnesium oxide. Okay, now collect that ash and add few drops of water. Now see here magnesium oxide when combines with the water, which gives a magnesium hydroxide. If you test with that with the litmus paper, which is in a basic nature. What the point? This equation is very important. Till your 10th class and intermediate going to repeat this equation. Remember, magnesium combines with oxygen, which gives a magnesium oxide, and this magnesium oxide when combines with water, which gives a magnesium hydroxide. Note on this formula, it's very important. Note on that. In the same way, in Diwali times they will use these magnesium ribbons in some of the crackers. Now comes to the point. Here I will show one of the magic. What is this? It is a lemon. Okay. Now see here. In olden days, if you go to some people like a black magic, mantralu, mayalu, okay, they ask you to bring the lemon. Okay, they'll say something and they'll cut the lemon and they'll show blood comes out of the lemon. How it is possible? Because before itself, they use a knife with a methyl orange. It is a methyl orange solution. They dip the knife in a methyl orange. Otherwise, hibiscus solution. Hibiscus, mandara puvulu. Mandara puvulu mixi kesi, dani juice తీసి దాని knife ని 2-3 times dry చేసుకుంటూ అప్లై చేయాలి. 2-3 times dry చేసుకుంటూ అప్లై చేయాలి. అప్పుడు knife it is completely same as it is knife only. If you cut the lemon with that knife, it looks like a blood comes out of the lemon. Okay, shall we do that experiment now? See here. See here, methyl orange. I am taking the methyl orange. I am using the methyl orange solution to the knife and try to dry it. Immediately it will dry off and nothing can be visible. It will dry off immediately and nothing can be visible. See, dry it completely dry. If I use for lemon, see, can you see? Here, blood comes out of the lemon. See here, as if blood is coming out of the lemon. This is the black magic. You can do it. See how the lemon is going to turn. I am showing. See. See here. Blood is coming out of the lemon. That means it is nothing that here. Here lemon is nothing but a citric acid. It is acid. When acid is combined with the methyl orange, which is gives a red color blood-like substance. But some of the people they will utilize as a black magic mantralu maya చేసుకుంటూ blood చూపిస్తారు lemon నుంచి. Okay, you can also do it. Now you are coming to the point of the next session is that here this is phenolphthalein. What is this? It is a phenolphthalein. Okay. Now it is a methyl orange. These two indicators here. If you take the methyl orange, just now I showed the experiment. If the methyl orange combines with acid, which gives a red color. See here. Methyl orange combines with acid, which gives red color. When a methyl orange combines with acid, which gives a red color. Suppose if a methyl orange is combining with base, which gives yellow color. If methyl orange combines with the base which gives yellow color. Okay, got the point? When methyl orange is combining with the acid which gives red color. If these methyl orange when combines with the base which gives yellow color. These are the indicators. Now this is a phenolphthalein I said. If the phenolphthalein is here, phenolphthalein, in phenolphthalein, if I use now phenolphthalein to this acid which gives a colorless solution. Phenolphthalein ki acid to combine cheste which gives a colorless solution. If this phenolphthalein is combined with the base which gives a pink color. Once again I am repeating. Phenolphthalein when combined with the acid which will be a colorless. If this phenolphthalein is combining with the base which gives a pink color. Okay, got the point now? Now your classwork, textbook page number 14. Page number 14. Note on this box in your classwork. Okay. Now see here. Everybody knows very well about the copper vessels. Do you know the copper vessels? Ragi binda, ragi glass. Even boys also use this, no? Bangle. Okay, copper the kadam eskuntaru kada. If you observe that, after some days it will turn into bluish green color. Why? Not only that, in olden days they used to use the copper vessels for cooking or everything. Why they will use? Nowadays also they are using copper coated dishes. Copper coated, only outside it will be, not the inside. Okay, that means here, if you take the copper vessel like మన ఇంట్లో యూజ్ చేసే కాపర్ గిన్నె తీసుకోండి ఒకసారి. If you allow for few days, you can see a greenish blue color inside and outside picture. That means copper is reacting. So if the copper reacts with something, it will change their color. That means here, if outside of that vessel, ragi గిన్నె తీసుకుంటే కనుక black turn అవుతుంది. Why? When the copper is reacting with the oxygen, copper oxide is formed there. So it is turning into a black color. Again, if you wash that vessel with using lemon or tamarind, otherwise pitambari, then you use cheste, again it will glow and shine, red color it will come. That means here, when copper is reacting with oxygen, which gives a copper oxide. If you clean it with the acid, again it comes to the virginal form. అందుకని చేతికి కడం వేస్తున్నప్పుడు కూడా దాని చుట్టూ bluish green color form అవుతుంది. That means it is reacting. Okay. In olden days, they used to coat the copper vessel with the tin. ఏదైనా కాపర్ గిన్నె తీసుకుంటే దాని లోపల మొత్తము tin తోని కోట్ చేస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా కుక్ చేయకూడదు కాపర్ వెసల్ లో. కుకింగ్ చేయకూడదు. వాటర్ అయితే we can use it. We can use for drinking water, but directly we should not cook it. So with the copper vessels inside that they will coated with a tin material. Okay. Now see here. Do you know about the acid rains? Once upon a time in Visakhapatnam there was an acid rain. Seriously, there was an acid rain. Why? Because Visakhapatnam is famous for many of the industries. There, what is happening? The industries are releasing lots of chemicals out of that. These chemicals are slowly reaching to the cloud. These chemicals are nothing but here nitrates, sulfates, which are reaching to the clouds when combined with the water clouds. So which will become an acid, and that acid is reached to the ground again. That means here in the Visakhapatnam, once upon a time there was an acid rain. Because of that acid rains, completely even plants, animals are died, and in that particular area, not at all growing the plants. That means how serious is that acid rain. So because of the industries, there is a acid rains. Now next one is here. What is your homework? Today's assessment is that you have to write about the magnesium ribbon of this equation, and next you have to write this table. Next here about one scientist named as Henry Cavendish. He is a famous scientist. He discovers about the hydrogen. Because these hydrogen, some of the chemicals are reacting with slowly, one gas is released out of that. This Henry Cavendish, Italian scientist, discovered about the hydrogen gas. Nowadays, these hydrogen gases are using for filling the balloons for the decoration purposes. Okay, that's all today's class, and thank you. We will meet in the next class.